We need an idea soon or else we're gonna go broke.
We have no ideas. What are we supposed to go with?
Well, Nemo was a big hit. Maybe we should make an underwater film.
Great idea. Let's see if we can find something in the Atlantic Ocean.
We got everything? Oxygen tank?
Check.
Flashlights? Check. Camera? Check. We are ready for the spark zone. Who are you?
We're just three filmmakers trying to make a quick buck.
You need to meet our queen if you want to be among us.
Where are we? What is this?
Presenting the Queen of Atlantis.
Welcome to Atlantis. Come with us and we'll dine on shark fin soup and prawn octopus eggsacks.
Sorry, but we have to go. We're on a tight schedule, but thanks for the film anyway. Film? What is this film? I know, I've heard of it before. It's a squid that only has 4 tentacles.
No, it's just a bunch of pictures put into motion.
Sayonara!
Sayonara? Who's the Sayonara?
Hey, where's the disc?
Logan had it.
Yeah, I have it right here in my pocket.
Let's check it out.
Ooh. Ah. Hey! What happened? Well, it is called the Lost City of Atlantis for a reason, and if we'd found it, it would have been called the Found City of Atlantis.
That was a great movie.
I know, I can't wait to the sequel.